Welcome to Countryside Maintenance Lawn and Landscape, offering award-winning lawn care for both residential and commercial properties. For over 20 years, Countryside Maintenance has been servicing residents and businesses in the Stow, Hudson, and surrounding areas. We offer total lawn care, including mowing, landscaping, and hardscape solutions. A beautiful lawn just doesn't happen. It comes from professionals who care. Sharp blades and proper mowing height are important when achieving that perfect lawn. Another important service that we offer is aeration and overseeding. Aeration and overseeding are essential when striving for a lush, beautiful, healthy lawn. To complement your property, we also offer complete mulch bed installs and mulch bed edging, plus everything you need in your mulch bed such as flowers and shrubs. We handle everything from design to planting, as well as the mulch install. We offer 4 colors of mulch, with black and brown being the most popular. We offer complete seasonal services such as lawn cleanup, leaf blowing, tree trimming, stump removal, mulch bed maintenance, weeding, edging, and of course, snow plowing during the harsh Ohio winters. Since we are the experts in lawn care, we also offer complete lawn installs. Lawn installs could either be sod or seed or a combination of both. Perfect for new home construction or a home that needs a fresh start or a repair from a yard project. If you are in need of any of our lawn care services, call Countryside Maintenance today. Call 330-689-0164 for a free, no-obligation estimate.